Hey everyone! Today we're going to be taking a look at some offerings from Kizer Cutlery available at knifecenter.com. Kizer has made a name for themselves by being one of the first Chinese manufacturers to offer high-end knives with quality materials at a competitive price. One of the things that has allowed Kizer to create some beautiful knives is their collaborations with custom knife makers featured in their Bladesmith series. By licensing unique and innovative designs and implementing their precision manufacturing techniques, Kizer can create sleek and sturdy knives such as Laconico's Gemini folder. Based on Laconico's Jasmine flipper, the Gemini features a fully flat-ground 3.125-inch stone-washed S35 VN blade with a drop point shape which gives this elegantly designed knife a bit of ruggedness. The bearing pivot system allows for a smooth blade opening, which makes flipping this knife a joy. It also has a secure, solid lockup thanks to its frame lock mechanism. The matte silver finish titanium handle is very easy on the eyes, especially with the blue anodized hardware to accent the look. The slim profile feels extremely comfortable in the hand. When you get this knife in your hand, you're going to have a seriously hard time putting it down. With Kizer's Prime Series, they wanted to bring the same level of quality from their Bladesmith Series to their own internally inspired designs, and as a result we have knives like the V3. The V3 is a very rugged knife sporting a stone-washed S35 VN drop point blade and titanium milled handle scales, ensuring that premium look and performance. The flipping action feels very weighted and controlled, and the frame lock on the titanium handles provides plenty of security. You can feel the build quality of this knife every time it's in your hand, and you know that it's up for any task you throw at it. This knife is a prime example of the quality manufacturing that Kizer is capable of. Kizer also loves to provide value to their customers, but not at the expense of performance. Their Vanguard Series was aimed squarely at taking knives from their Bladesmith and Prime Series and pairing them with different materials to add way more value to the knives and, in many cases, improve the performance. Take the Duke's folding knife designed by Matt Cucchiara, for example. This knife pairs a satin VG10 drop point blade with G10 handle scales. The use of the G10 scales adds a level of ergonomics to the knife that makes it feel much more secure in the hand. The flipping action on this knife is buttery smooth as the blade just glides to the locked position and is held securely by the stainless steel liner lock. Mix in a very low profile and you're looking at a very capable EDC option. It might not be as flashy as the titanium handle knives, but it feels just as great, if not better, to use. This has been just a small sample of the Kizer Cutlery models available at knifecenter.com. We'll have a link in the description below with information on these models as well as all Kizers we have in our inventory. If you have any questions about any of the knives we showed here, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you want to see more of our knife-related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, knifecenter.com. Check back often for updates on any deals we might be running on the best knives and tools on the web.